against my feathers, sense the heat from the sun, and let the rain cool me down. Hello people on earth, I hope you see that we share this great community. The life itself is a miracle and such a marvelous gift, and we all got some time on earth we do not want to miss. But when I'm looking down at you, I clearly see that not everybody's smiling happily. I see fighting, I see struggling, I see poverty and war, and I do not understand what it's all good for. And I wonder why you people don't just fly on the wings so low from birth until you die. I am Arthur, I am a bird, and I want a happy world. Let's shaking our hands, I mean shaking our wings, I mean shaking our things, I mean whatever, you understand what I mean.